Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete languages on Duolingo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go ahead access your Duolingo app on your mobile phone, right? Afterwards, the first thing you can see, we do have our particular language on top is listed. Tap on it and you will tap this find this plus course option. You can tap on it and add another course for you, right? Other would be you can simply go ahead then afterwards tap on this profile icon given below, like the avatar icon, and then you're gonna tap on this settings icon on top given, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and here in the section you're going to scroll down and you can find this option called manage courses. So once you have tapped on it, it will show you this remove beside the course, right? We can tap on this remove and I can tap on this remove to confirm it, and then we will be able to remove a particular language on Duolingo, or aka delete it. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.